Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the device and app. Open Accessibility, enable voice access, then grant microphone and overlay permissions so controls can respond. Once done, sign in if required and allow any speech recognition downloads. This reduces latency. Make sure to switch to a headset or quiet room for best accuracy. Speak one command at a time at a steady pace, and you'll move into the first test commands in the next step. You now practice core navigation and editing. Start with simple nav. Say open mail, back, or go home to confirm responsiveness. Once those work, try selection. Say show numbers, then tap 4 or scroll down to reach content. That maps voice to on-screen targets. For typing, dictate naturally and include punctuation like comma and period. Use commands such as select that and replace with for corrections. Keep commands deliberate so the model learns your cadence and reduces errors. You finish by customizing and testing a workflow. Add shortcuts and custom phrases in settings to speed repeated tasks. Test them across apps. If recognition degrades, retrain voice input or recalibrate in the accessibility menu to match your accent. Once configured, run a full scenario, open app, compose message, and send using voice. If things go wrong, first verify microphone permission, network connection, and ambient noise. Then restart the service or device before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.